Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we will learn basic tenses: present, past and future. Tenses help us talk about time, what is happening, what happened and what will happen. First of all, we will discuss present tense. The present tense tells us what is happening right now. For example, I play with the ball. She reads a book. Second is past tense. The past tense tells us about something that already happened. For example, yesterday I played with the ball. Future tense. The future tense is about what will happen later or tomorrow. For example, tomorrow I will play with the ball. She will read a book. And that's it. 3 basic tenses: present, past and future.